PaperStream Capture provides a separation function based on barcodes. This function allows you to detect which documents have a barcode in a specified area from multiple documents, and use the detected documents as separators to separate the documents when a separator is detected. This video explains how to use barcodes to separate documents, as well as how to specify the barcode recognition results in file names and save files. There are 9 types of barcodes that can be recognized by PaperStream Capture. First, prepare the scanner and some documents that have a barcode printed on them. Connect the scanner to a computer and get it ready to use. When you are ready, start up PaperStream Capture and select Configure Profiles from the menu. In the Configure Profiles window that appears, open the document profile you want to edit. The window switches to the window for editing the document profile, and the Name tab is displayed. Click the Source tab to switch the Settings window. If the scanner selected for Source is different from the connected scanner, change the scanner. Next, click the Separation tab to switch the Settings window. In Detect Doc Separator, select Barcode. Barcode type is displayed with one-dimensional barcodes selected. Click the Define Area button to display the window for setting the recognition area. Load just one document with a barcode printed on it into the scanner, and then select Add in the Scan section on the toolbar. The document is scanned, and the scanned image is displayed. Click Draw Zone in the Edit section on the toolbar. Select the zone that includes the barcode and specify it as the recognition area. When you specify an area, the barcode inside the area is recognized, and the recognition result is displayed in Barcode in the field panel. If there is no problem with the recognition result, click the Return button to go back to the Settings window for the Separation tab. This completes the settings for separating documents. Next, add the barcode recognition result, recognized as the separator, to the file name. Click the Destination tab to switch the Settings window. Click the Name Rule button and then select Document Separator Value. In EG, confirm that Doc Separator is displayed in the file name, and then click the Save button to save the document profile. After that, click the Close button to close the window for editing the document profile. This completes the settings. Now, let's try scanning a document for real. Click back to go back to the Scan window. Load documents in the scanner and click a document profile. While the documents are scanned, they are separated every time a document with a barcode in the specified area is detected. Click the Complete Batch button to output files for each of the separated documents with a file name that includes the barcode recognition result. You can also use the separation modes shown here for separating documents. Use the mode that best fits your business needs to set document separation and make the best use of PaperStream Capture.